So, a friend of mine gave me his old drill press that had been sitting in a garage or a barn or something for quite a long time. I cleaned it up, hooked a foot pedal up to it, put the center drill in, started making some parts. Today, we're making bolster beams for trucks for ES2 500 locomotives that I built. Well, there's the center drill dimples. Now it's time to start making some holes in these things. I'm starting off with a 7/32 drill. Figure I'll make a small hole first and then make it bigger. You know, I think this needs coolant. Let's use WD-40. So the center hole here, which isn't the size it's going to be yet, this is what pivots in the middle of the locomotive. The ends of the truck are out here and here, and the middle of the truck is right here. The top of the truck is right here. You know, a really nice unintended consequence of using WD-40 for cutting oil is cleans all that mill dust off of the parts. So I end up with cleaner parts because of it. And they won't rust. At least not until the stuff dissolves. I mean, evaporates. Yeah. That. This thing is starting to act a little funny here. Now I had no idea at this point, but this drill press was starting to self-destruct. Now, it was at this point that I realized there was something terribly wrong with this drill press. The motor was overheating, it started to smoke a little bit, and it just couldn't get up to speed. Well, the drill press just quit on me. I'm running at basically low speed. Let's see if I can get it to turn on again. Unfortunately, I've got a lot more holes to drill than this, so it's a bit of a setback. This is still spinning good. Maybe I just need to let that cool off some, see what it does. Guess we'll do that. We'll be back to this later. Alright, so since I burned this one up, I'm going to set this aside, and I think I'm going to put a 24 volt DC motor on it. Use that on the railroad. This one over here, however, that's what I'm going to finish this job with. This first. I'm sure there are instructions in the box somewhere, and I think I saw them, but yeah, I'm not going to bother looking at them. Unless I get stuck. Then I'll look at the instructions. Look at that. Comes out perfectly, doesn't it? Putting it together, fairly intuitive. It's got to be the chuck in here. And the chuck key. There's the chuck. Okay, good. Yes, that's what holds the chuck on. So combining this switch here with the foot switch makes a nice emergency kill switch, an extra level of, hey, don't turn this on, including the pull-out lock. I can turn it on with that and check my center here because of the laser cross hatches. We're going to go a little bit bigger. So that was 7/32 of an inch. We're going to go out to 1/4. And eventually to, I believe we're going out to 3/8. Memory serves me. Before I go too much further, time to roll up my sleeves and get into this. size up. Now, one of the problems I have with this grade of drill press is you can't really go slow enough for the larger drill bits. This 3/8 drill bit is really, really struggling. I don't think I'll subject you to any more of this chattering. Let's just go to the cleanup. Well, I guess this is a good time to unveil a tool that I bought last month. It's a belt sander and disc sander combo, and I'm going to deburr the parts with it. Now, I thought I recorded more of this, but the camera wasn't running, unfortunately. Well, there we go. I guess the real star of the show, instead of these two tools, which are brand new, used for the first time in this video, would be this down here. Also used for the first time in this video. Foot switch makes life so much easier on these. And I got all these parts done. Enough for 3 pairs of trucks. So I guess that makes a video. We'll weld these up in a future video as we continue making our little switcher engines. So thanks for joining us today in this video, and hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Watch the next video on the line here. I'm sure there's another good one coming up right now. Oh yeah, patreon.com/millbrookrailroad. Patreon.com/millbrookrailroad. You can join us over on Discord as well. Thanks for watching.